4 squirts in each one of this Purity Supplement salmon oil. And let's see how well my dogs like it. Okay, one at a time. Here we go. No, you there. Okay. I'm gonna do it on this side and watch them. Pretty good stuff, huh? Oh, yes, they're scarfing it down. But I guess it's a hit. They usually just throw in a fish oil capsule, but I'm concerned about them not being fresh and about them being rancid. So if the fish oil capsules that I get from Walmart are rancid, they'll cause inflammation. That's why I wanted to switch over to this one, because that actually is anti-inflammatory.